Hi there, my name is Shah, and this is Shah's Heaven, our permaculture unit. Although we have a lot of work to do to make it a permaculture, this was originally a land that I wanted to build a regular orchard. And then as we went, like 1 year down the road, I discovered permaculture. Then at this point, we started planting a lot of fruit trees, but unfortunately, I was not very experienced how to create a permaculture, although still now we are learning. But you will see one side, you will have no problem of seeing it's almost a fruit forest. Look in the back and on the right side. However, on the left side, it's kind of empty after we cleaned it. We didn't really want to remove the plants, but we were having too many invasive species that was kind of draining the land. And since this is, and we have not really done much to it except leave it to their own devices, we wanted to clean it this time and introduce other plants that will actually create the biodiversity. It's already full of fruits. As you can see, when you entered, we had lychees. We have longans, we have guavas, bananas, papayas, breadfruit, many other tropical plants. Here is a breadfruit and avocados. This is a lychee, by the way. And here it becomes a little bit more dense and a fruit forest. The density is very important, and this is lychee growing. And our hope is that by having the density, it will actually create that ecosystem, which it did create, by the way. This is kind of an invasive plant. This one is a fern, beautiful, so we kept it. And we're going to mix not only food, but also a lot of things. This is a pond that we just built, Ajay just built. Bananas, our lychees, bananas again. Our hope is to fill in the blanks, I should say, and hope you can enjoy. And just to let you know, it's not my profession, it's just my passion. It's kind of self-sustaining. It works with rainwater, solar technology, and this is the side of our fruit forest. This is more than a fruit forest. As you can see, it's very dense there. We have lemon trees, we have papayas, also we have cassava, and I forgot the name of this one. We call it, I think, frichita in French, but frichita or something like that. And this is Ajay, our main guy, and we have Eric kind of supervising the other side, and here it is. And you will see a lot of mulch, all those leaves falling. We're not going to clean them, we're not going to rag them, because that's going to be helpful. There are some grass that grew, and they also being used as ground cover. We do our best to avoid any kind of exposure of the soil to the sun, so ground covers are very important. And on this side upward, this is our dog Omega, and this is our trees we took down because they're kind of invasive now. There are too many of them, so we had to get rid of a few. But it's not like we get rid, we cut them and they grow back. And this is a mango tree, bananas there, coconut, and we used to have pineapple here. That's why we had the plastic back in the days, but we're going to remove the plastic. I don't like them, it's kind of ugly. We're going to use straw, but we're going to plant back our other stuff. And look at the mulch here, awesome. So don't remove those leaves, but there's a lot of invasive plants here. Their seeds will fly and come. So hopefully we will be able to continue putting more fruit trees. I'm hoping to put another 20 to 30 varieties of new fruits introduced in there. So good luck to all of you. Please try it. Thank you.